विशाल गावाले लुक सेंटर जानू समोर बेस्ट रैंक हो जानवी जी एकदम सामने देखिए जानवी जी हम लोग ने आपको कॉपी कर लिया ऐसा लगा गाड़ी में उतर हमारे आवाज यूज किया हम लोग को मिस किया यहाँ पे आप लोग को ओरिजिनल लेना चाहिए आते आइए और हम लोग अरबाज करो समझ एकदम समझ सामने देखिए ना सामने जी इधर देखिए बहुत अच्छा शो था एकदम समोर मागे जानवी जी सामने सामने जानवी जी मैडम मैम जानवी जी जानवी जी सर एक जानवी जी जानवी जी थैंक यू मैडम एक से सर एक सोलो लुक सेंटर कॅमेरा जानवी समोर जानवी लुक जानवी इधर जानवी इकडे माझ्याकडे जानवी ब्यूटीफुल नाइस कॉन्सेप्ट चलो नेक्स्ट पोजीशन बहुत मजा आया बहुत जानवी जी उधर बुला लेना उधर नहीं करना सीधा माइक को बुला लेना जानवी जी वन जानवी जी जानवी इधर स्माइल जानवी यहाँ पे जानवी जी यहाँ पर देखिए
Okay, I'm going to start now. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for being here. We have, of course, Rahul Mishra here and the showstopper Janvi, but I think we all need to put our hands together for Mr. Partho Banerjee, who's the Senior Executive Officer for Marketing and Sales for Nexa. And I think it's very, very important because it is because of them that we're able to put together Fashion Week the way that we have been over the years. Partho sir, I'll start with you. It'd be lovely to know about your association with Fashion Week for all these years, the new e-Vitara, and then I'd like to hear from Rahul about the collection and his association, and then of course for Janvi's wearing, we'd love to hear from you, Janvi.
Yeah, I think good evening, media friends. First of all, I would like to congratulate, I think, Lakme Fashion Week for conducting a fantastic, I think, fashion show, and thanks to Rahul Mishra also for putting on a fantastic show, one of the best shows I ever seen. Can we have a round of applause for Rahul Mishra? And Janvi was stunning actually, the way she came in the car actually, the e-Vitara. I think who was the showstopper, we were thinking Janvi or the car also, but I leave it to Rahul actually to decide who is the showstopper.
It was the car.
Oh, it's so nice of Janvi actually to say that. But
I think
Janvi,
it was them. It was their voiceover. It was their voiceover.
so I would like to also thank Jaspreet and Sedi Saab also for this wonderful association which we are having for the last 10 years. Nexa and I think the Lakme Fashion Week has been together for last 10 years. Come.
No, you just.
So I think it's an amazing association because we look to create, innovate and inspire many of the new budding fashion people who are coming, and also at the same time they learn quite a lot from one of the legends like Rahul Mishra here, who really is coming up with fantastic things. Some of the concepts which he showed me during the time when we are discussing it, and today when I saw, they are spellbound, I think. Rahul, you are amazing, that much I can say. Great, thank you.
Mr. Sethi, on behalf of both of us, just say a few words about our association.
All I want to say is thank you very much, Partho Dada, because 10 years, 1 decade, no flight by night kind of a person, only a person like you who's been supporting the fashion fraternity. And also, I've known Rahul for more than 10 years and Divya as well. So I have seen the progress and, the fact that today they can do Indian couture, they can do breadth, they can do diffusion, and now with this new brand, a few, I think that's setting the pace for the next Rahul Mishra brand. So thank you very much for showing this. I'm sure that's like a Parisian band, something that you show there in Paris. So we're very happy that international comes to India, and India, we're so proud you're taking the Indian flag there. But मैं हर समय बोलता हूँ कि सोने पे सुहागा सिर्फ जानवी के उससे होता है जब वो वॉक करके जब मानते हो कि नहीं जब वो गाड़ी से उतरी तो दादा बोल रहे थे ई-Vitara मारुति नेक्सा बट लोग बोल रहे थे जानवी 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 so we are going to say both were the showstoppers of the show, but that doesn't mean that Divya and Rahul are not the showstoppers. It was their creativity which was the showstopper. So thank you once again, Janvi. The entry was phenomenal, Dada. What you said, that entry, it was a young Marilyn Monroe walking with such confidence. Thank you very much.
I really feel like thank you everyone, and thank you Nexa, thank you Lakme Fashion Week, because it's also has been very nostalgic for us, and thank you FDCI. Yeah, thank you FDCI, because Lakme Fashion Week 2006 March I did my Gen X show here, and after doing like 11-12 years in Paris, as well as doing so many couture weeks in Delhi, always coming back to Mumbai and doing a show here is almost like a new beginning for us. So I really feel, and I'm really thankful for Janvi for agreeing for this crazy idea. which I had like one evening, and I quickly called her by saying like you have to play yourself, and I think the way she did everything, I think it was mind blowing, and we all are feeling so inspired with her everything. So thank you.
मैं यहाँ बोल दूँ?
ऑडियो यहाँ पे है ना, वो रहने दीजिए।
बट मैं अकेले क्यों आ रही हूँ?
राहुल सर आ जाइए।
थैंक यू राहुल सर को बोलना चाहती हूँ। राहुल एंड दिव्या, आई थिंक उन्होंने सिर्फ जो मेरे लिए ही नहीं बल्कि आई थिंक व्हाट दे हैव डन फॉर इंडियन फैशन हैज बीन सच अ बिग डील। एंड टुडे स्पेशली आज के शो में जिस तरह से उन्होंने मॉडर्न सिलुएट्स के साथ इतने सारे इंडियन टेक्सटाइल्स को मिक्स किए, आई थिंक इट्स सो इनोवेटिव, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, एंड आई एम सो ऑनर्ड कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना इस रैम्प वॉक के लिए। आई थिंक दिस इज आवर थर्ड शो टुगेदर, and I always feel my most confident when I walk for y'all, and I think that's because वो इतने प्यार से मुझे सजाते हैं, confidence देते हैं, और उतने ही प्यार से उनकी सारी टीम के साथ भी रहते हैं, and I think that's so inspiring to watch, and so I'm so happy to associate with you, and I hope it happens again and again, and of course you sir and your wonderful car and Lakme Fashion Week and FTCI. And you, who's been my biggest cheerleader for most of my shows, almost all of my shows, so thank you so much. And thank you to all of y'all. I think आपकी media hype के बिना मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती, असली confidence boost तो आप लोगों ने दिया है, so thank you so much. पता नहीं क्यों मैं acceptance speech दे रही हूँ, लंबा हो गया, but thank you.
एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सबकी बात हो गई, बट ई विटारा का कलर अब सिर्फ नेक्सा ब्लू नहीं है, अलग अलग रंगों में वो आती है, इसीलिए दादा ने भी आज ब्लू से ब्लैक पहना है, बिकॉज देयर इज एन ई विटारा इन ब्लैक ऑल्सो, सो प्लीज गो एंड चेक इट आउट. एंड जानवी, आई वांट टू रिमाइंड यू ऑल्सो दैट you have walked for Nexa also before. Yeah, 3 times for Nexa as well. So, and Maruti Suzuki. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Only Divya hasn't spoken, and if she could add something.
Absolutely. Good evening, everybody, and this beautiful evening is dedicated to Janvi and Vichara. Absolutely, you made it so ravishing, sensuous, and your young energy to what our brand stands for, of you by Rahul Mishra. And thank you, Sunil sir, Jaspreet, FDCI, Lakme Fashion Week. We were born here. This is our dharti. And wherever we go, Paris, global, we'll always be very proud Indians doing global fashion. And Janvi putting us on the center stage every time. Thank you, Janvi, for your lovely, lovely walk. Thank you, everybody.
जानवी जी यहाँ पे